Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Carla and I'll be sharing with you a few tips on how to refill your hand sanitizer. So if you're like me and are not really appreciating the new price increase, like if you look at this old one, it's $175 and this new one is $195, but they're the exact same thing. Now, I, for one, am not appreciating this new price increase. So, what I've decided to do is give you a little tutorial on how to refill your Bath & Body Works hand sanitizers, the small ones. Now, if you've never done this before, I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So, what you want to do is get a small tool like this. This is a spatula to paint, because I like to paint, but you can use anything like screwdriver, butter knife, as long as you do it on the side and then pop it, right? So I'll show you how to do that, but be careful not to mess up the lid because we don't want to mess that up. So just do that, and then once you hear like a pop, it's done. And you see, you don't really mess up the lid, and it came open. So once that's open, you can now refill your Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. Now, if you're like me and you're a little bougie, I've actually refilled it with some sparkle. You see that? Yeah, it's sparkly. And I did that because I was inspired by some of Bath & Body Works' cool hand sanitizers with the glitter inside, and unfortunately I couldn't find any, or I couldn't get my hands on any, and I thought, well, I still want my hands to be sparkly and clean, so what should I do? And I figured, well, it's just glitter, right? So what I did was I purchased pigment. So pigment like this, and you can get this anywhere at any beauty shop, and if you love makeup, you probably already have some. So you see that, and all you have to do is just put it in. So let me show you how to do that. So again, with your little tool, you pop it open. Now just be careful. Whoa! So I got that open, and now I just pour some glitter inside, or whatever, however much pigment you think you're gonna need. So I like mine super sparkly, so I'm gonna put a lot. I'll put a lot. Sorry if I'm annoying, but I'm gonna put quite a bit. So that now, now that I'm satisfied with that, I can put the lid back on. Oh, make sure it's correct. It's on correctly. And then, hold on one second. Ah, you gotta hear that click. So now you gotta shake, shake, shake. Shake it. And voila! Your hand sanitizer is now sparkly and bougie and cute. So I now have 2 sparkly champagne toasts. So I have another champagne toasts that I haven't done that to yet, but I'm gonna wait. Anyway, so as you can see, my little small collection, it seems to be growing every so often, but I need to cut back. Anyway, so my next step is to show you how to refill a regular hand sanitizer with a screw top. Super easy. But this time, adding your own scent, like your favorite scent. Obviously, I have a lot of scents, but mine I'm going to choose is in the stars because I really like this one and I don't have it in the hand sanitizer. So it's a little nice trick, and this trick is going to be coming in handy when you know, your local Bath and Body Works or even online, they don't even have any more hand sanitizer, and you're like, I need more hand sanitizer in my favorite scent. So what you're going to want to do is get either get the Bath and Body Works or this one. I have this one. It's currently, you know, half empty, whatever, and I don't have any Bath and Body Works empty ones yet because I just don't. So I have my giant gallon of hand sanitizer, and I'm just gonna fill it up really quick with a bunch of hand sanitizer. Sorry, I'm doing this off camera. So I just filled it up, and so now I'm gonna take my spray and I'm gonna spray it. Spray it a bunch of times because you want to have that fragrance in there, and it depends on how much hand sanitizer you put in there too, because this one is 50 milliliters, which I'm in Europe. I don't know what that is. I'm originally from California, but one of these is about 29, so 30. It's almost like double. It's almost like 2 ounces. So I didn't fill it up all the way. But since it's double that, you're going to want to spray a lot. Spray a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. So, and then you can start to see the fragrance in there as opposed to the regular hand sanitizer. You can tell by the color. And this in the stars is kind of like a gold color in comparison to the white clear hand sanitizer that I had. See, it's clear. And then the original was blue. But yeah. Enough of that. Just fill it, fill it, fill it. And you can even do like small squirts or whatever. So once you're satisfied with that, screw the lid back on. And again, you can do that with the regular Bath and Body Works 1 ounce hand sanitizers. And you shake it up, get the liquid nice and mixed. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, I think that's good. You could probably shake longer, but I'm good. So I just squirted a little bit. Hand sanitizer. It's very alcohol-y. I also have to admit that this one is very strong. It has a very strong hand sanitizer smell, and I can't see what the percentage of alcohol is in this one, but I know this one is very strong. Anyway, so now that you've scented your unscented hand sanitizer, it should smell like your favorite scent in the stars. For me personally, I really like this scent. It's so good. So again, and if for some reason you didn't squirt enough of the fragrance, just keep spraying it until you're satisfied with the scent. And yeah, that smells pretty good. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this and other Bath and Body Works videos, keep watching. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. So thanks again. I'll put my social media links down below, and you can add me on Instagram. And thanks so much. I'll see you again. Bye.